Hello and welcome to my video today. This is a follow-up on the chiller pipe videos I've been working on lately. My friend Jim came over with his Fisker Ocean to do the removal of the tab. But before I did that, I put an action camera inside the area where that tab is located, and we drove it around, did some acceleration and stopping. And this is the video of that area. I was very curious to see how much the motor moves in the mount. So let's get started. All right, so here's what it looks like inside where I mounted the camera. Got a good view of the pipe and the tab. Yeah. And we're on Earth mode, which makes sense. And there's actually quite a bit of movement. So, yeah, so accelerating, it is moving back. And braking, it moves forward. that I did mine, I know exactly what to do for yours because I practiced on mine. So mine was the practice car to figure out what needs to get done for the removal. Yeah, well, thank you so much for being my video. All right, so that gives you a good idea of the motion of the motor in the mount, and it definitely moves around during acceleration. It moves towards the pipe, and during deceleration, it moves away. And it doesn't have to be jackrabbit starts. It can happen going around corners and just mild acceleration. So this does affect every Fisker Ocean, and I do recommend removing that tab so that the pipe stays clear of damage. And if you can't do it yourself, try to get somebody like a service tech to do it, mobile tech, or maybe an area garage can do it for you. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.